Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. I think it's either going to end up looking like this for a running flat or possibly like this for an expanding flat. Either way, I think it doesn't matter because either way it should lead to a pretty big uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 2. I believe this is a 1. I believe this is a WXY of 2. I personally think we're still in a wave 3 and we're either going up for a wave 3 of C, expanding flat, or 3 of C, running flat. So keeping that information in mind because it's extremely important, taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this 5 waves up right here is a wave 1. I think this is a big WXY of 2. I think we're in the very early stages of a wave 3 still. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, even though we did get that big pullback. Still think this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3, and I still think it's going to go up around these highs. Probably make a wave 1 of 3 before we get a bigger pullback for a wave 2 of 3, and then another continuation of the uptrend for a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a pretty nice bounce this morning. We had that right at the 50%. I'm hoping that this right here is the end of a correction. It looks like it wants to end the correction, but it also kind of looked like it was trying to end the correction yesterday. We really need to see this thing maintain momentum and go up and break structure to really confirm that it is the end of a wave C. I'm actually already long on the euro dollar from this morning, and I'm hoping that it continues the uptrend from here. But definitely keeping a close eye on it just in case it does decide to roll back over. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure on the shorter time frames. It looks like the end of a wave C. We got a nice Fibonacci bounce. We got a nice end of a trend, hopefully. If this really is the end of a correction, it needs to maintain momentum. It needs to go up. It needs to break structure, and it needs to keep on making higher highs and higher lows on around the 1 hour time frame. If it does pretty much anything besides this, then you're definitely going to want to get out of your longs and potentially maybe even go short again. But as of right now, it looks like the end of a correction. As long as it maintains its higher highs, higher lows on around the 1 to 4 hour time frame, I think we're good. And if you are a shorter time frame trader, you could definitely go down to an even shorter time frame than this and look for longs at the end of all these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list over here from top to bottom every single day during those meetings. Also gives you access to all my swing trade / day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry. You get all this by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.